Welcome to my channel, Jenny 17 Vlogs. Ayan guys, ngayon magluluto ako ng spaghetti. So, madalian na lang guys. Hindi ko na step by step. Kita ko sa inyo yung aking spaghetti Jenny version. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, nagluto na tayo ng spaghetti. Ayan, ang hinalo ko dyan is crab meat. Tapos, meron siyang beef balls at white mushroom. Tapos, ayan, hinahaluan po natin siya ng broccoli. Ayan. Ayan yung broccoli and the crab meat. Ito yan guys. Ito yung crab meat. Ayan. Ito yung beef balls. Ayan. For lunch. Ayan. This is a Jenny version guys. Ayan. Spaghetti for lunch. Ayan. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and likes. Jenny 17 Vlogs. Thank you guys and enjoy eating.